welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Keerai Rasam. This is a very healthy recipe and an immunity booster, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this, add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this, add a teaspoon of oil. Today I have taken 1 cup of keerai. Remove the leaves from the stem, clean wash it and keep this ready. Add this to the oil. Saute for 2 minutes until the raw flavor of the keerai goes off. Now it's been 2 minutes, so go ahead and add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Let this cook for 5 minutes until the greens are nicely done. Now it's been 5 minutes and the greens are nicely done. So remove the soup and set it aside. Heat the same mud pot and to this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies and a pinch of asafoetida. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so add 1/2 cup of tamarind juice and the keerai soup. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious Keerai Rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this Keerai Rasam at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.